Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can locate your assessment results on Indeed. So let's get right into it. But before I do, let me quickly explain what Indeed is and how it functions. Indeed is a job seeking and hiring app very similar to LinkedIn, where you can choose either to be a job seeker or an employer. If you are a job seeker, you can search for jobs based on keywords, titles, companies, cities, locations, and so on and so forth. And if you're an employer, you can put up job listings to which people can apply. Now, if you're a job seeker, you can also create your online resume, which will help you, of course, with finding a job and make the employer's job easier when searching for your account and finding your resume so that you don't have to send them either via email or other methods. But yeah, if you make your online resume, you can also take online assessments, which are basically assessments of your own skills to show your employers what you are capable of and to endorse you even further. To see your assessment results, what you want to do is go to your account. You do that by clicking on your account icon here in the top right, which is the third icon out of these three, and then go into your profile. As you can see on your profile, you can see all your information, including your resume, qualifications, job preferences, and so on and so forth. But what you are searching for is your assessments. Assessments are under skill tests, and to see them, you need to click on here and you'll be taken to this screen. As you can see, I cannot take any self-service assessments as of now, since the assessments are down due to maintenance. However, if you have completed any assessments, as you can see your completed assessments here below this, and you will see all your results there. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.